Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem after updating to the device, after updating your device to the latest version and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply drag down your control center and after that turn it off your Bluetooth and wait some second, and after that turn it on again and connect to a device which you want to connect and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again, and from here guys simply scroll down, then tap on journal, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again you have to just simply open settings and again open your Bluetooth and select which you want to having trouble. So guys, simply select it and after that forget that device and after that reconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do reset network setting. Resetting all network setting will be fix your problem. So guys, simply tap on journal, scroll down and then again tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. After doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.